Well, I actually like this episode. Wait, yeah, She-Hulk, episode 3. I really did like this episode. I thought it was fun this episode. Sure did like it better than last week's episode. Hey guys, this is AW here, Aaron Will Order, bringing you another episode, non-spoiler review of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law. Before we get into that, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell for things to come up on my channel. So you get updated. So as you know, this is a non-spoiler review, not a stream. It's now Saturday. Saturday? I don't know. Saturday might be a little different. I don't know. Saturday, yeah. So this Saturday, I plan to do. Yeah, I'm gonna do a spoiler-free review live stream. So this is a video. Saturday will be a live stream. We'll be talking about spoilers. But yes, let's get to this episode very quickly. I certainly loved it. I actually liked this episode much. I actually loved this episode. It was much better than that, in my opinion. If you watch my reviews or my both reviews, non spoiler and spoiler review, you could tell I wasn't particularly in the episode. I didn't hate it. I didn't like it. I was just in the middle, and that's that's fine. For me, it's fine for me. I know there's a lot of people that did like it. There's a lot of people that didn't like it, but it's all it's all opinions of whether you like stuff or not. But this episode, I really did like. It was funny though. We got still Jen, taking on Abomination's case. We got another side story here, with one of Jen's former colleagues. The arrogant lawyer, the attorney that she worked with in their previous employment at the DA. He was involved in this episode, and in a very funny side story. It was pretty funny. I won't tell you go into detail, but on that. But in a spoiler-free review, we'll talk about more of that. We got to see Jen defend Abomination, why he should be free and parole out of prison. We got to see well, I'm not gonna spoil this. Obviously, the end of episode 2, we know about the fight when Abomination and Wong at the underground fight club from Shang-Chi. So we do get Wong in this episode, and he's pretty funny. He's pretty funny in this, and because there's things he doesn't understand about law, basically American law. And you get this, and I'll tell you this. She-Hulk, she's very popular. She's in the press. She's in the media. Getting all this attention, good or bad. And then they kind of do make fun of a certain fandom, a group, a hateful group that me and my buddies we're aware of. You know what I'm talking about. We're always against female empowerment in entertainment. Or like I said, MCU. They like to say the MCU, right? They kind of make fun of that in this episode. I know it's gonna trigger It's gonna trigger that group, obviously. But I found it funny. I found it funny. We'll see it. It's like very early on. What else is there? What else? Yes, Megan Thee Stallion is in this, and she's not just a cameo appearance. She is a cameo. I'll just let you out of the bag. I guess she is a cameo, but she's in this episode, and she kind of does play a important role in this. On a side story though, of this episode. But as I said, I really did like this episode. I thought this episode was much better than last week's episode. It was fun, funny. Yeah. Overall, a better storytelling this episode, and I can't wait for the 4th episode and what's going to entail with this show. Remember, there's 9 episodes, I believe, so longer than a typical Disney MCU show. It's the second longest show since WandaVision. But yeah, like I said, I like this episode. And yeah, so tell me once this episode goes on YouTube, once I upload it, tell me your thoughts. Comment below your thoughts on this episode. And yeah, so Saturday, this upcoming Saturday, I'll be doing a spoiler review episode of this show. Live stream will be live, and anybody who's seen the episode is allowed to come on and talk about it. It might be a little bit longer than my last stream that went about an hour long because I didn't feel enthusiastic about it. If you know, because if you watch my review, especially my non-spoiler review, you could tell I wasn't like I wasn't beat about it. I wasn't high about it or anything like that. I was just like, okay. But yes, so once again, like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, or instead of like, smash that like button, click the notification bell for videos and streams. And yeah, tell me what you guys think once again in the comments below. Take care, guys.